Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Google form public. First, open the Google form you wish to share. You can find it in your Google Drive or by visiting the Google Forms website directly. Once your form is open, look for the Send button, usually located in the top right corner. Clicking this button will open a new window with various sharing options. After clicking Send, you'll see several ways to share. To get a public link, click the link icon, which looks like a chain. A unique URL for your form will appear. Copy this link. You can then paste it anywhere you want to share your form, like on social media or in an email. There's also an option to shorten the URL, making it more manageable. Beyond just a link, you can also embed your form directly into a website. Look for the embed icon, which resembles angle brackets. Copy the HTML code and paste it into your site's editor. Alternatively, you can email the form to specific people by entering their addresses in the Email tab. Google Forms also offers direct sharing to social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Before finalizing, always double-check your form settings to ensure it's truly public and can collect responses. Make sure there are no restrictions on who can view or submit. This ensures everyone can access it without needing a Google account. Also, remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Your form is now ready for public use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.